So many people tell me that solving logarithm questions without the calculator is difficult, especially for International Maths 0607 paper 2, which is without the calculator, is difficult. So we will start off with a logarithm question. This question is from 0607 May 2023, recent paper 22, paper 22, question number 15, summer 2023, last year. Paper 22, question number 15 from International Maths. We will try doing it without the calculator, of course. Let's see how it can be achieved. So the question is part A. Write down the value of log 0.01 to the base 10. Okay, let's try. So write down the value of log 0.01 to the base 10. Now, whenever you don't have a calculator, be it International Maths paper 2, or even many of you will take IB later, IB paper 1 without the calculator, it's always better for papers without calculator to work in fractions rather than decimals. So we will convert the 0.01 to fraction. If we convert that to fraction, we will probably get a log 1 by 100, and of course the base 10 is there. So that's the equivalent fraction. Now log 1 by 100 can be 1 by 10 square, and the base is 10. Now what we will do is we will get the 1 by 10 square. The 10 square in the denominator, we will get it up to the numerator using laws of indices. So that would be log 10 to the power minus 2, and the base is 10. What did I use over here? I used the formula a to the power minus x is equal to 1 by a to the power x. I used this formula in the reverse order. So basically it was 1 by a to the power x, like 1 by 10 square. I wrote that as a to the power minus x. So 1 by 10 square, I wrote it as 10 to the power minus 2. This is a formula from the indices chapter. So I used that to get it up. Now, after I get it up, I will use a logarithm formula, which you will be accustomed to. We will use the formula log a to the power x is x log a. What formula is this? If the body of a logarithm has a power, that power can come in front. I haven't written any base over here because it doesn't matter. I can write any base. I can write base c. So this side also I can write base c. So that is not important. But I want to focus on the main thing here, which is if the body of a logarithm has a power, that power can come in front. So if I use this formula, you will realize that this minus 2 can come in front. So I can write this as minus 2 log 10 base 10, minus 2 log 10 base 10. Now what is log 10 base 10? Log 10 base 10 is 1, because again I can use a logarithm formula. I can use the formula log a base a equal to 1. When the body and base are the same, the value of the logarithm is 1. So log 10 base 10 is 1. Anyway, log 10 is 1 because the base is by default 10, even if I didn't write any base. So I get minus 2, and log 10 base 10 is 1. So my final answer is minus 2. It's quite easy. This was achievable because in the first step I converted the decimal into fraction, and then I just used logarithm formula to come to arrive at the answer.